Do you dream of owning a beautiful garden that requires less of your time for upkeep? Welcome to the world of low-maintenance gardening, a solution that saves time, reduces water consumption, and is perfect for beginners. Let's dive into the steps to create your own low-maintenance garden. The first step in creating a low-maintenance garden is choosing the right plants. Opting for native or locally adapted plants can be a game changer. They're naturally suited to your climate and soil conditions, making them more resistant to pests and diseases and less needy in the care department. Perennial plants are another fantastic choice. They return each year, cutting down on the effort of replanting. So, you see, the right plants can turn your garden into a self-sufficient oasis. With the right plants, your garden will not only survive but thrive. The next step is to consider mulching. This underrated hero of gardening serves three main purposes. It curbs weed growth, conserves soil moisture, and enhances soil quality. Less weeding, watering, and fertilizing? Yes, please. Mulch is a garden's best friend. Watering is crucial, but it doesn't have to be time-consuming. Enter efficient watering systems like drip irrigation or soaker hoses. These aren't your everyday sprinklers. They're high-tech solutions that deliver water directly to your plant's roots. No more water waste on sidewalks or evaporating in the sun. We're talking about a watering system that saves both water and time. And let's not forget, it keeps your plants hydrated and happy. An efficient watering system is key to a low-maintenance garden. Creating a low-maintenance garden is easier than you might think. Let's recap. Selecting hardy local plants, opting for mulch to suppress weeds and retain soil moisture, and installing an efficient watering system can all contribute to a garden that's easy to care for. Remember, a garden should be a source of joy, not stress. So, give these tips a try and enjoy your low-maintenance garden. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more garden tips and tricks.